In this video, we're going to solve a linear equation in one variable problem. So the problem is 5y over 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So we're going to transpose 3 on the other side of the equation. 5y over 9 is equal to 6 plus 3. If you combine 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. Then we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 9 so that we can cancel 9 on the other side. So we'll be left with 5y is equal to 9 times 9, that is equal to 81. Then we're going to divide both sides by 5. So we can cancel 5 here. So we'll be left with y is equal to 81 over 5, or that is equal to 16.2. Or we can write it also in mixed fraction, that is equal to 16 and 1/5. So that's the answer for the problem.